Yeah. Finally. Finally, we are live. We are live. So, yes. Yes. Very power late, guys, because my OBS was not working. I don't know why, so got a little bit late. And अभी तक ऐसा कुछ स्पेशल हुआ नहीं है, तो नो नीड टू वरी. Let me check if I play the game you guys can hear it all. So, hello, hello. All good, all good. Let's analyze indices. Yes. Okay. So coming to the indices, it was 6 p.m. This is our 6 p.m. in both the assets. We already have we already have this tracking correlation with ES. We check YM. Oh, YM is totally decoupled, I think. Yeah, YM is totally decoupled. With this. This is our 6 p.m. So I think we might get reversal very late in the indices because YM had already took this couple of highs on left side. You see, look at this as on left side, and these other two indices are straight away falling. No, if these other two assets turn out, then there is good opportunity for longs. Like daily, YM is totally decoupled, guys. We might turn out from here, by tapping this inversion. B or else no, we can't see anything in indices for now. Coming to the gold, everything working fine. Let me check. Coming to the gold and silver. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Into the gold. What's up, buddy? Uh, Indices are looking not that impressive today. Gold, let me go to gold and silver. Hmm. In daily, we are forming this track and correlation. But let's see what 4 hour has. We do have this in 4 hour. We do have this track and correlation in 4 hour. But the best thing we can do here right now in gold is to close this C2. Then we can trade higher from here to these highs maybe in gold. That's a plan. Mm. That's a plan for gold, silver. Let's see. The problem here with silver is we invest this fair value gap without taking any kind of liquidity here. Now you might say that this is a rejection block or anything, but don't think so. If we from a strong C2 closure here, if we get a good C2 closure here, we can push higher. Not saying in silver or at least in gold, I would say. Oh, sorry. I just off my mic was off. Yeah, my mic was off. Sorry. Uh, in gold, if we get this C2 closure in 4 hour with this SMT, we can look for higher prices because yeah, silver took the previous low, gold failed to take. Gold is not yet taken. If we get the CT closer, we can target for these and these highs at least. Gold. That's the plan. Hmm. Indices will take a little bit more time to reverse, I think. For us, we have this crack in correlation from this swing point, but I'm not sure because YM is totally decoupled. If you see YM, sorry. Yeah, if you look at the YM, we are just pumping higher. Yeah, so totally decoupled. So this makes me low capable for indices today at least. We have gold and oil to see. In oil, we are inside of daily fair value gap in oil. Mhm. In oil, we are inside of daily fair value gap. We have this pattern correlation with happy. We have it. Yesterday, I marked out these liquidity zones here. All those lows are taken. Oh, that's so nice. Mm. After this crack and correlation, we had a big push down. The best thing right now here in RB is we are reversing off of these swing points here, these equal lows. That's a good thing. If we get this C2 closure, it will be so good if we get this above here, take a trading RBs, or else. Even in US oil, we have this crack and correlation up here. Let's see how daily is forming. CM. Let's see. Yeah, oil is looking kind of. Yeah, I'm going to focusing on more gold instead of other assets. To wait for 10 a.m. to yeah, 10 a.m. is open. I think I have good C2 closer in 40 minutes if you see. Slow is not yet taken in hold. Silver cleared it. Want it's 10 a.m. to set it slow and then we can trade higher from here. It's like we have these high risk. What to target for today? I want it to somehow react 3% of this order block. Let's see. I'm not sure. Oil. The oil is. Can you guys hear? Yeah, I was checking my king photo. Oil is inside of 4 hour favorable gap right now. Yeah, gold is looking good though. Gold is looking good so far. Yeah, 3 minute change in state. Let's see that. Let's see. Let's wait. We can wait too. I don't have anything in here. Need to closure and C3. I don't see any, low set for 10 a.m. There's no proper week which I could have trusted on. So it's 5 minutes. Or else we have to wait for another 15 minutes to, get a closure about this candle and look long. That would work. Uh, yeah, I'm getting that. I'm going to look my eyes. Yeah. What's happening in the scenes? Yeah, indices we need it will take a bit more time for information and all. Yeah. US oil, our bias is like good, but it didn't set that week, right? The 10 a.m. week is not actually set in 4 hours, so it's a bit dangerous to touch it now. So, mhm. Do we have any news today? Mhm. We had unemployment claims on 8:30. I think this thing, yeah, 8:30, nothing much. Yeah, ranging in gold, but silver is looking kind of good. And do you have this 15-minute one stage coming down here? You are, come on, bro, pump for it. Yeah, just wait here. Can't tell you. Talk to my audience. Sir, 5 people watching. I hope you guys like stream. Settings. I don't. I like already forgot to set it the video. We had some problem with OBS while setting it up, so I was I think 10 minutes late maybe. We will wait. We will wait. We can do only wait. We might catch something in YM longs. We will form this PSP. So but let's see. It will take a bit more time. Gold is consolidating right now. Why is that happening? Gold. We had mention. No, not at all. Pretty good. I don't know why it's consolidating. Total work. Wait. And oil is haven't even set the low of 10 a.m. See our 10 a.m. open. Oil if you see. 20 chance will be remaining in oil used to take this CST, which is very dangerous to engage in. So I'm gonna teach it. We have 15-minute PSP in gold. Another 3 minutes. I think we have to wait to confirm that. It's, yeah, yeah, we are going to get entry at I think 10:15 candle, not on this candle maybe. 10:15 open and lower wick. You might get entry. We need a displacement out of this range. We are topping very hard right now. Yeah. And Q and ES are straight away dumping. I don't know why. Mm-hmm. What's HO doing? This HO should have clean. Yeah. Oh, HO had a pretty good. Yeah, here. And I हाँ देख रहे हैं बाहर हम यहाँ पे लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रहे हैं Bro, indices are very total shit today. I think it's not going to give us entry in indices. And gold and silver are just chopping around. Total barcode. It's safe to, it's always better to not to take trade instead of, getting trapped in a chart. Two stays between RB and HO on 1 hour, but no SMT. SMT fuel for the continuation on the retrace. Yeah, bro. RB and HO. RB and HO. I haven't saw RB and HO together today. You can check that. Yeah, on day versus two. I think you're talking about this, right? Yeah, I'm talking about this down here. But you would, if this is Tuesday, you would have, got something continuation here. But again, 10 a.m. Uh, Personally, I'm going to trade only 10 a.m. So there's no chance I'm going to get entry with this wick on this candle, like this small wick. I'm not going to touch it. Even gold is not looking good. I think I might put my bias in YM and trade lower. Yeah, we need retracement. We need retracement in YM. Or else no trades if we don't get any retracements. This low is already cleared. No, this low is cleared. Yes, oil pumping directly without set. It might. 10 a.m. low is. I'm not much confident about that 10 a.m. low. So we'll be touching oil RB and HO. Yes, I think that's on live. Got a okay, sir. And this is my कुछ भी हो रहा है सच में. This is my कुछ भी हो रहा है. This is my कुछ भी हो रहा है. And gold भी कुछ भी कर रहा है. Like I don't know how I was anticipating higher prices in gold, but return. Hmm. Oh my God. No entry at all. Look at this dump. What happened today? Look at this dump. Straight dump. Like one, two, three, four, five. 5 15-minute candles. There is no retracement at all. Straight dump. Straight dump. Straight dump. Straight dump. What's happening today? 40 minutes. 30 minutes we got. 30 minutes. We do have. Yeah, we do have this SMD in 30 minutes. Pre-match profile. We do have if I said, but not confident. If we get another change instead of delivery, I might jump into this. Take shots. But right now, again, also reverse. I need another this change in state of delivery to go shorts or else this change in state of delivery to go longs because we are getting short unnecessarily today. I don't know why. And if, if we need longs, we need to close about this. Look at that. Look at the indices from here. वही तो कुछ भी हो जा रहा है. It's not safe to trade actually. Okay, that is kind of exposure, but we'll wait. We'll wait a little bit more to get a confirmation and then we can get that done. This is cleared already. We're not gonna put that there. Close. 30 minutes C2 and the current candle is just negative condition. Don't know why. That is 30 minutes. Like according to this closure, we should be pushing higher here, but I don't know what's the case. We already like traded like near 3% of these previous week. Uh, if we get a closure here or CST or anything, we might, I think, this will be the validation point. Validation point for shorts and invalidation point for long. Let's keep it here. अबे यहाँ पे चेंज इन स्टेट ऑफ डिलीवरी अगर मिला तो ही देखो. I'm not sure whether safe to take right now because that is not looking a change instead like a perfect change in state of delivery for me. I can wait for a reaction and then take that trade. Yeah, I'm taking this gold sales on limit order. I don't know if I'm going to get tagged in or not to get there. Come on, bro. Tag me in. Yeah. Dubai, I say no. Mm-hmm. Indices. Nothing much on indices. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Guys are watching. Oh, shit. Okay. Transaction. Dump it. Come on. Okay. Another two candles. In 6 minutes, we are having 10:30 open. And that might be the problem. I'm sleeping in 1 minute. It's not a high probable CST, I would say, because look at the body closure behind of it. Again, gold will run, yeah, as you guys know. So I thought, thought to give it a chance. ಅದು ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Oh my God. What was this? What was this? Arey, it didn't take me out at all. Come on, sir, push. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Double in the chat, guys. Single candle drop, and we are done here. Double in the chat, double in the chat, guys. Let me show you the executions. Crazy trade, guys. It's just a trade. Is it right, guys? 1:2. WWW. That kind of win. Yeah. Double stream, double stream. We hit that TP in single candle. 1:2. 1:2.3 maybe. Not 1:3. 2.5 maybe. Like 1:2. Let's go with, consider it 1:2. Is it right? I was thinking to come break even here, but it didn't even give me a time to come break even because like totally flushed down and without DP. Nice. The I would say that this trade is something, everything is dumping, so I just wash my hand into that flow of water, something like that. This is not a plan. Plan was longs, but sometimes if we get some little bit of confirmations, we can catch up these oh, tabs here. But NQ and indices are not at all safe today to trade. You will never get an entry. You are just going to follow the no, you're just going to catch a falling knife, which is not safe at all. But gold, so crazy. Gold was so good. Gold is so good. Gold was so good, guys. Anything else? We had, I think, yesterday one one winner and one small loser, which is very negligible, and one break even. And day before yesterday, we had a winner, and day before yesterday, we had a winner, I think. Yeah, double week. So we have another day tomorrow. I should be more careful about on Friday. I hope we'll get a better price action on Friday. I think. Let me just take a screenshot of it. Need to journal it. Yep, yep, yep. That was straight. And was long, snow trade second. Yeah, that's good, bro. If your plan is long and you're staying away from the market is, going totally opposite to you, to your direction. That's very good. But this trade was, we had a Kraken correlation about there. So I thought let's give it a chance for 1:2. So day today, 26. Nice, 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 nice. Beautiful trade. So, guys, got any questions today? I think we are going to end the stream bit early. Any questions, guys? Any questions? You guys can. All just rip the framework was, but no entry. Yeah, yeah, bro. We had a good framework in oil to catch the 10 a.m. candle, but 10 a.m. like we don't even have big, no trust on at least trust on. So I don't think so. We stayed away from the oil, RB, or all the three assets which move, correlatedly. So if you look at even oil, it's same story there as well. Crude oil, same story here as well. No proper wick. Uh, the profile was good. We had a C2 instead of daily fair value gap. This is a daily fair value gap, and we had this Kraken correlation with the RB, but we didn't had proper 10 a.m. low set. Can you explain gold trade, please? Definitely, bro. This trade was taken in 3 minutes. Okay. Let me just go through silver. I was anticipating that this order block, look at this order block here. This is not an order block in gold until unless we got closure above here. And even we got a closure above this candle here, even if we got a closure, I would not consider it as a high probable order block. That's because of this chop. We need a good displacement, and then I would say, okay, this order block is valid. So I was anticipating we had kind of, you can say, order block in gold here. So I was anticipating at least price should bounce from the 50% of this order block, which it's shown here. Look at this. We had a bounce, and we also had this crack and correlation back then. Okay, let me just explain it. It's- So look at here. Let me just explain it. Okay, but here I was anticipating it to price to react from this 50%. Okay, so we came and we didn't take this low, so hence we set this it's empty here with silver. As you guys can see, silver is already taken this low. So we had this SMT. So next, I was waiting for this 3 minute CIST to form so that I can go for longs. Actually, the plan was longs today because we had a good C2 closure in 30 minutes, as you guys can see here. So I was anticipating that we might engage in C3 and catch up till these highs at least. So I waited, I waited, I waited, and didn't get any change in state of delivery. We were just chopping around. Even look at this. It was just three ticks away, 2 to 3 points away to give that change in state of delivery. Next, I thought I was looking for indices and all other assets other than oil and RB and HO, indices, gold and silver are straight away dumping. Indices are straight away dumping. There's not at all the chance to get entry. I was looking for YM to, get some sort of pullback, and then I might have engaged till this low, but but no pullback there, so no entry. Coming to the gold, coming to the gold, we had this which is empty here. Okay, so we came back. We got a good pullback. I was anticipating that. I was anticipating that we might get we might get this change in state of delivery to look for longs. But if you want to go for short, I was anticipating this change in state of delivery. You guys can, rewind my stream and hear what I was talking about. Either if I want to go long here, I want this change in state of delivery because our plan was to go long. Either I want to go short, I want this change in state of delivery. Why is that? Because that was not my plan. It was just something like, everything is dropping, like indices are dumping down, gold and silver are dumping down. Gold is not giving good confirmation to us. So, so yeah, I was anticipating this change instead of delivery. So once I got that change instead of delivery there, I just switched it to 1 minute to check whether we have a good confirmation or not. So once we had this pullback after rebalancing this inversion here, I saw this inversion. So I thought, okay, I should enter here cells now. So I entered cells. This is just example. Okay, this is just example. I You guys can see my actual trade. So yeah, 3 minute, 3 minute change in set of delivery entry there. It was limit and straight dump on a single candle. This was the plan actually. This is how I was, looking at the market today. Beautiful trade, guys. Now we are turning out bullish in gold. The actual plan is playing out right now. The city closure, C3. Again, I don't know whether we are going to get an entry here on gold after this. We had this change instead of delivery, no pullback at all, straight away pumping higher. See here, no lower wick at all at the 10 a.m. So I just, thought to stay away from it because I was not sure, okay, like, it will be this hard. And YM and YM and NQ, they straight drop. So yeah, I'm already done with today. This was a beautiful trade. Might end up stream early today. You guys have any doubts or anything? You guys can go ahead and ask. I used two stays on 30 on gold. 930 was stronger and then SL at 145 becoming weaker. Entered at 1012 CST here on market execution. I think you entered at market execution maybe. Market execution 945. No, your SL should be about here if you entered here. I was, I think you coordinate. Yeah, enter at market execution. I don't prefer much market execution. I was looking for longs though, so I thought I should get another profession kind of block here or any another change instead of delivery to, you know, get that confirmation. So I waited for this to happen. Then anyhow, I just wanted 1:2, so I got that. So yeah, good double trade today. It was a beautiful trade, guys. Okay, guys. I think I should be ending the stream now. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Make sure to, subscribe and like the stream, share it with your friends if anyone wants to join the live and learn or copy trades whatever. I don't prefer copying the trades. Do it on your own risk, but yeah, people will not listen me. I know if I'm giving a free trades, they'll definitely come and punch trades here. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye. Yeah, bye bye.